How can I reduce my home insurance cost? The cost of your homeowner's insurance, the premium, is based upon a number of factors which you can't alter. Things like the quality of the responding fire department, the construction of your home, the state in which you live, your credit worthiness. In addition, there are all sorts of ways that you can reduce your premiums that are poor practice. Things like misrepresenting material facts, getting insurance from a fly-by-night company. A few ways to reduce your premiums that are wise include identifying which system upgrades will help, replacing fuses with circuit breakers, or replacing your roof, or shopping for an insurance company that is competitive for homes in your area. The biggest way to save on premiums is to not purchase more insurance than you need. Perhaps you bought your home for $220,000. You put 10% down, with a $200,000 mortgage. The bank wants you to insure your home for the loan amount, so you bought a policy with $200,000 coverage. But you live in a very expensive part of town. The cost to rebuild your home might be $150,000. Since the cost of home insurance is primarily a function of the dwelling value, you are buying too much insurance, and thus are overpaying by 25%. There are a variety of methods to cut your home insurance costs. Some of the more common include changing insurers, contact an independent broker, change the coverages on your current policy, increase deductible, remove coverages. Reduce your claims activity, add affiliation or multi-policy discounts to your current insurer, add certain safety devices to your home. These could include a centrally monitored alarm, auto gas shutoff, internal fire suppression sprinklers, etc. There are other less common possibilities. You might want to ask your agent to get more details. Occasionally there are building characteristics that make the insurance more expensive. For the record, I would speak with your agent before taking any of these actions, as not all insurers will lower rates based off of all of these ideas. Each insurer is different. You can either make your franchise lower or make some changes on conditions under which you are covered. They cost separately, but honestly I have knowledge as well. Work closely with a good advisor for health insurance, and you need to know more about the process of switching to other insurance or medical factors that dominates on what type of insurance you need. To specify in details, I suggest you an advisor for that, but free, because no company in Switzerland does oblige you to keep or reject you, but consider that they change their policies often and you might be unsatisfied after. That's why I suggest to anyone a free consultation before switching and making decision on your own. Search the market. If you find cheaper premiums, I would go back to your current insurer to see if they can improve their premium in order to retain your business. You can limit your cover to reduce costs such as legal cover, dropping your cover limits and removing accidental damage off your policy. Be sure to get independent advice before you consider this, as this can have consequences if you need to claim. If you are looking to switch insurers, make sure you are getting the cover you are asking for. Online comparison websites compare prices and not policies, so be sure to read the small print.